Ang ganda! Guys, parang rice cooker. Cuties! Hokkaido na chili noodle nila, o diba? Ang cute, sobra. Worth it na hindi ako nag-shopping.
You make me feel so damn good.
Sis, we're here. Jigokudani. So, maganda daw yung parang the water, sabi ni Kuya. Hindi, alam mo ano amoy? Amoy siya yung Rice Krispies na want. Tapos guys, may CR siya. And then parang sinabi kanina na parang yung ghost daw nila dito, pag red, you know yung girl. Kasi narinig ko nagmamandarin siya, Qingkui, meaning babae daw siya. Red daw is babae, the blue daw is the lalaki, ganun. Ayan guys, ang ganda nga pala naman here. Rod, meron dun sign eh. Ayaw mo ba dun ka sa sign mag-photo? Ang cute kaya nun. Ang gusto ko to parang hiking ulit. Nako, Ivan, Maki, ito ulit yung hike. Kasama ko naman si Rod ngayon. Iba naman ang kahike ko. Danger, keep out. Rod, lakad ka daw dyan.
Yeah, soon I have to really call them.
Mas maganda daw tong route kasi we don't have enough time, guys. Mabuti mabilis tayo maglakad. So, we have 15 minutes. So, kailangan 5 minutes na tayo maglakad. Tapos afterwards, balik ka agad. Ito daw yung mas magandang route to. So, yes, let's follow this. Ang ganda oh. Parang rice cooker. Pero hindi ako nababahuan. Sabi niya mabaho daw. Hindi siya mabaho.
That smells like something's cooking.
Ay. Cute. Love. Guys, so alam ko na yung amoy. Parang panis na egg. Pero, it's okay. It's not bad.
Terrible.
Ay, ganda dito. Grabe. Ay, worth it. Sige. Worth it, Rod, na naglakad tayo dito. At sabi ni... Ano pangalan niya? Justin ba? Oh, cute naman, guys. In fairness, masaya. Ang ganda. Look. Oh, ganda. Bawal malate. At least nakita ko siya. Masaya na ako. So, back to the bus. Guys, may mga gift shops siya dito. At least ito cute. O, diba? And if you have questions, yes, meron ice cream. May mga pagkain siya dito. Ang cute nito. Tapos 2 hours daw tayo sa next route. Kumuha mo tayo coffee and we got water. Ayan na guys. Yung mountain, yung Shoshinshan. Yan na. Pak. Guys, ito na yung bear, oh. So, sabi sa atin that the bear, siya daw ang third biggest bear in the world. Kasi ang biggest daw is the polar bear. And then the grizzly bear. Ito yung mga souvenir shop o pagpasok mo dito. Oh my God, look at this bear. This is so cute! Sis, ang cute nitong bear. Tapos lahat mga bear, mga magnets daw bear. Ayun mga bear, like bear. Tapos yung ticket daw is inside. 900 daw yung ticket niya. 900, ayun o. Guys, ito yung ticket niya. So, separate ang ticket. Ayan yung ticket prices. Ayan na siya, guys. This is it. Ito lang yung bear. Ang cute nito, oh. Ay, ang cute. Then you hear that. Guys, ayan sila, oh. Naririnig mo sila. As in, ganyan yung sound sila. Nakakaloka-lok. Ganyan sila. Cute nga naman, in fair. Cuties! Ay, ang cute, oh. Okay. Ata, try mo. Ay, ano ba yan? Ang fail. Throw it inside. Wait, akin na. Let's try, guys, ha? What? Ay!
Ay, nahuhulog naman doon. To be fair.
Ayan, kinuha niya.
Yeah.
In fairness, cute naman talaga tong bear. Pero wait lang, hanapan yung iba. Ayan! Meron pa dito. Rod, meron pa dito. Ang dami.
Medyo mahirap tapunan ng biscuit.
Diyan na lang. Tayo mo dito. Magtapon ka ng biscuit.
Dapat pala dito. Kawawa naman yung sakit.
Oo nga. Tapon natin yung apple dito. Sis, tingin pa tayo dito kung meron pa iba. Oh my gosh, ang dami nila. Oh my gosh, ang cute to tulog. May mga cubs.
Nakawalin na.
Sila, guys.
Parang yan, baby.
Ang cute nito. Okay, we're done. Next stop, let's go to the Usu Mountain. So dito, pwede tayo kumain dyan kasi yan yung kainan daw. Pero, let's finish the mountain muna because sightseeing dito. Then mamaya tayo kumain kasi pag gutom, maraming makakain. So, meron daw siya curry. Gusto ko yun. Meron daw ramen na Hokkaido ramen which is spicy. Gusto ko rin yun. Tapos yung may eel daw unagi. I don't eat that. Yun yung pinakamahal doon. It ranges from 900 to 2,600 daw na yen. Yung isang meal. So, makita na natin later yan. Pero unahin ko muna yung Mount Usu. So, yung Mount Usu, ang history, ang kunento was, it is a very relatively new mountain. Kasi dahil sa earthquake daw, it was a paddy field. Tapos, biglang nag-earthquake, natunaw yung mga bato ba niyan o whatever, the sands, biglang na-build out tong mountain na to. That's why it's red in color. Ganda, diba? Nakwento niya yan in Chinese. Tapos nung naririnig ko, sabi ko, ay, ganda ng pagkakwento niya in Mandarin. Yung English, hindi naman sinabi yun in that manner. Pero yung Chinese, more depth. Kaya po minsan, it pays na naintindihan ko siya. Okay. Guys, ayan na siya, oh. This is it. Ayan na siya. Ganda. In fairness, ang ganda niya. Super. Ganda. Guys, so nakita natin yung Mount Usu. Now, this is the restaurant and souvenir shop. And then yung isa doon will be yung food naman as well. O, yun na may mga souvenir shops rin dito. O, diba? Wooden carvings, ganyan. Pero, iwas tayo sa ganyan if hindi mo kailangan. Kasi ako, iniiwasan ko na yung mga souvenir kasi alam nila na hoarder ako ng mga souvenirs. So, I try to avoid buying souvenirs now because, yon. Ang ganda ng clouds dito. Blue kung blue. Grabe. Na ang kainan. This is it. This is the only dining area. Sabi ni Kuya. So, maghanap na tayo. Cash only rin to. To get this is their menu, guys. We're gonna get the volcano ramen and parang kailangan ko ng katsu. Yung pork cutlet rice. Ay, yung curry. Sige. Mahal! Sige, okay lang. Yung curry katsu and then this is the Hokkaido na chili noodle nila. O, diba? Pak! So, alam mo sakit ko, diba? I need to buy sobrang daming good. So, bumili ako nito. It's called the lemon cake. And then, this is a lemon chiffon. And then, I got a custard chiffon cake. So, tatlo to. Then, ito, nabili ko siya doon sa isang store na yan. Parang hindi niya partner kasi wala kaming discount na binigay sa amin. So, yung discount namin is doon lang para doon sa, ano tawag mo dyan? Yung parang bear, diba? But, we'll try it out. Tinatin ko masarap siya. Kasi mukhang number 1 daw yung sulat doon. So, ewan natin kung talagang number 1 siya. Hokkaido. Eh, di ba they're known for milk, dairy, butter. So, let's see. Guys, ito na yun, oh. Yung lake. And then, yung mountain nila nandiyan na sa likod. So, this is it. Ayan siya, oh, diba? And then, yung mountain mo, yung parang Hokkaido Mount Fuji nila, yan, nasa likod daw yan. And then, this is the lake as well. O, diba? So, these are all snow that melted and became a lake. Bongga, sabi yan ng tour guide. Guys, so, ito yung stop. So, itatapon mo lahat ng mga trashes mo here. And then, ito ko din yung mga things you can buy. And meron daw dito sikat is yogurt and their milk. So we wanna look for the yogurt and the milk. And look, may view sighting scenes. Ang ganda. Rod, ang ganda. I love it. Cornflakes. Ayan, may mga yogurt. Yan daw yung sikat nila dito. Ito yung sikat niya, di ba? Yogurt. Ayan. And milk. Hindi. Feeling ko dali. Iuwi na lang natin. Ganyan, guys. Ganyan to. Bili tayo niya mamaya. Hokkaido fruit gummies. Ayan, may ganyan pa Lake Toya. Bro, ayun mga sikat to. Muna tayo dito, guys. Ito siya, oh. Ang ganda, look. It's so pretty. Ayan, no, wait. I'm gonna flip, oh. Ayan, you can take your photos here. This is the Lake Toya. Ang ganda. Ganda. Ang ganda. Guys, sobrang ganda ng weather. Ang ganda. Love. Saya. Sarap, diba? I tried it, guys. Sarap.
I'm so scared.
Kukuha ka muna dyan.
But
Pero
it's
sulit
good
siya.
nga. How much is this?
300? So,
Not
parang 100 pesos.
100 something. 120.
Kasi may discount pa eh. 8% eh.
120.
So, yun yung bus namin. Wala pa naman tao. Oh my gosh, guys. Ayun yung mountain. Oh, ganda. Sing ako. Para kasi may snow daw, guys. So, guys, eto na. Nasa Otaru na kami. So, we're going to go to the canal first before the shopping district doon.
You know where you go, right?
Yes, the canal and then the district. So, shopping. Thank you. Okay, and then 5:30 yung call time namin. So, let's go. I want to see the canal. Ayan siya, oh. Yung image niyan. Yan. Yung mga nakikita mo pag ginugol mo yung Otaru. Yan, lalabas yan. Guys, ito na. In fairness dito sa battery ng Osmo ko, naka-isang araw na. Yes. Ganda. Guys, so ang dami mga food dito, oh. Sis, marami pa sa loob. We can go in.
What's up your oyster? I want to try it.
Ayun. Ay, kain ka. Samahan kita.
Yeah, I don't know. Smell the heck.
Ayan, may ano, churros pa. Ayan, ganyan yung mga food. Ang ganda naman dito. Grabe. Ang cute, sobra. Bilis, sumayaw na tayo ng TikTok. Ay, itong cute. May Harry Potter. Ang cute itong bata. Sis, picture mo ko dito. Wait. Arigato. Bilis. Try. Big bite.
Maingat siya eh.
Kaya mo yan. Isang beses ka lang daw mapapasok. Hindi ba sa...
Okay naman.
Crab naman talaga siya.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Ayoko na yung kamusta.
Pero parang siya, parang pasty na siya.
Yeah. Parang siyang burger patty type.
Ito, sarap nito, guys. Japanese ako, sis. Kasi sa loob wala ng space. Ang lamig sa labas. Pero napicturean na namin yung canal, so we're okay. Ay, eto pala yung mga prices, guys. Don't forget ha, seafood to ha, kaya may kamahalan siya. Ay, arigato. May kumpay na naman ang interior designer na to.
Hindi naman itong chopsticks at yung ginunang ipan eh.
Yung seafood appetizer siya, girl. Kala mo, patatas, hindi.
It's squid.
Halo-halo. Tara.
Uwi tayo, kaya.
Worth it na hindi ako nag-shopping.
Sarap.
Eh, paano yung dataw mo?
Instead in the town, the ice cream we ate at parang also. Sinasabi.
Guys, so, in fairness, it's hotdog.
Welcome.
Ay, sis, binira ng pepper. Ah, red pepper pala to.
It's chili flake, right?
Yan. guys. Kasi si Rod yung favorite talaga mga ganyan, mga sipod-sipod, ano-ano, mga ganyan, mga uni-uni. Kaya nakita mo siya sa Tsukiji Market. Ay, na-slice ni ate.
Yeah,
Hindi ko
like-
napansin.
I didn't know what.
Ayan, blow-blow pa. Oo, eh. Malambot. Masarap ba? Soy base ba siya? Parang soy sauce?
Malambot
Teriyaki?
na chewy pa rin. Alam mo, fresh lang. Hindi siya yung pag-aaral sa Philippines sa
Can I get
Mushina.
one? Sige na, magpapainggit na ako ng isa.
Hindi siya kagaya sa Philippines sa
Oh,
Mushina.
I'll get na.
It's fresh. You know, it's fresh. It's so different from what we have. Diba? You get it. It's soft but chewy. Kasi sa Philippines, parang weird eh. Parang
You still taste the sea. Fish, no? Dito na ako kakain sea.
hindi niyo pa chili.
Pwede, pero I can try it with oysters.
Sounds good.
Ang laki ng scallop. Ay! Sige, let's see. Ang harap nito. Bes, ang sarap nito. Grabe. Hindi mo kailangan chili kasi ang sarap nila.
Okay, I don't know what. Like butter. So soft.
Kaya ganyan tayo karoon siya. Let's see how it goes.
Let me judge if I drink the sauce.
No. Yum. Guys, nako, may Venetian Art Museum. My gosh. I know, medyo gabi na. But, we still have around 20 minutes bago kami umalis. And then, ito pala, dito daw sikat ang Letao. Northern Sweets, Letao. Ayan, You have pathos, wherever. It's Letao rin. Laki! Dito daw pwede kami bumili ng ice cream. I think na nag-boss kasi yung Letao sa Manila, hindi rin ako nag-try. But I think this is the factory itself. So pwede tayo mag-Letao. And then doon yung mga walking streets, ganyan, shopping, ganyan. So if you like to shop, ito dapat yung inuuna mo, guys. Ayan na siya, guys. So, some of the food. Then you have Letao at the back. Japanese beef sushi. Ito, may Snoopy. Oh my gosh, if you're a fan, look. It's 2 floors of Snoopy. Medyo maaga sila magsara dito, so go early. Or mag-overnight ka. Pero parang ako, pass ako, hindi ako mag-overnight.
It's quite near Sapporo. You can actually go here.
Uy, may free wine tasting o Italian wine shop. Pero, meron sa kanila yan, hindi ako bibili dito. Ay, mga crystals rin dito, Guys, ang ganda. May mga outlet. O rin yan. So, apparently, Hokkaido is the town of Letao. Tapos, ang cute. Ang ganda dito, it feels like I'm in Christmas. Like little Christmas. Ay, may fireworks! Guys, ayun, may fireworks. Nakikita nyo? Fireworks. Ayan, Yenhua. Feels like you're in, in Europe. But you're in Japan. May baby hair. Nagtakbo kasi. Nakakita ng fireworks. So, ang lola nyo, na-excite. Ganun talaga. Okay, we're going to Letao. Since we're here, we have to try Letao. Rod, that's cafe. This is not a cafe. This is more of a gift shop. Ano siya? Guys, yun yung mga pwede yung bilhin. They even have chocolates. And some of the... ito may seasonal lemonade. Ito, Lenggo de shot. Lenggo de shot, di ba? And then guys, meron silang ganyan. As well. Oh, and then the dessert, guys. Dami oh. Guys, ito yung mga letaw. So, I got the ice cream and then rotata. So, you can try it. Yeah, we're here, so we try. Muntik na ma-scam si Rod, pero napanic lang siya sa email. So, kung fake yung email na yan. Try natin tong cheesecake ha, guys. Rod, try the cheesecake. Bilis. Ito kasi raw pa yung cheesecake eh. Ito, try mo. Yan yung cheesecake niya. Huwag mo lagyan ng chocolate. Hanggang baba, sis.
Okay. That's surprisingly good.
Guys, sulit to. Kasi yung cheesecake meron ka na 450. Ice cream is 350. That's almost 800. Pero if you get this, 700 lang. Hingi ako kay Ron ito.
It's fluffy.
Masarap ito.
It's light.
Guys,
Right,
patapos na kami.
heading back to Sapporo, and it takes about
And we're
45
going
minutes.
back.
And yeah, it's cold.
In the city and we're going to Yodobashi. Iba-iba lang yung mga malls na binibida. Pero magkakapareha sila lahat. Fairness. We're going to BIC before kasi walang stock sa mga Yodobashi.
Party there.
Sa pala. Gabi, dami tao. May KFC rin dito guys, oh. At ang daming gachapon. Gachapon. Ayan na guys, menu. Hindi mo siya conveyor belt, sis. Pero not bad yung presyo.
It's the same.
Ay na.
Cash octopus. Ano mo to? Cash octopus. Isa ba? Okay, thanks.
Go.
Gusto mo cold water?
Okay.
Karin.
Guys, finally nakalabas na. Ay nakita na namin yung terrace. This is the roof terrace. Ang ganda po ng view. Look. At the whole view. O, diba? Pak, katabi mo yung sign ng Susukino. And then may lounge pa dyan na access. Pero, ito siya. Ang ganda. Love it. Okay. So, kanina, bumili kami ng yogurt. And then, we have the pudding of Lake Toya. Kasi sikat daw to. And we also had this kind of pudding. Another kind of pudding. And then, the pudding of Lake Toya. Again, is a caramel flavor. And then, you need this cups and the toothpick kasi pantusok. Okay, so Rod, what should we eat first? Should we eat this one first? Oo. So, we get this. So, may bowl ka here. Hindi mabaho, in fairness. So, this is the bolo. Ay, para siyang balloon! Okay, and then, how you do it is, puputokin mo daw siya using a toothpick. Kaya kamay bowl. So guys, bubutasin nyo siya ha. Ay! Ang cute niya nung pumutok niya, girl. Buo siya.
Like force it?
Yeah, puputok lang talaga siya. Buo siyang susabog. Ayun siya. Buo pa rin siyang pudding, guys. Oh! O, diba? Nasaan yung plastic na natira? Sa baba. Ayan. So, itapon nyo yan.
It's like a balloon.
It's a balloon nga. It's like a balloon pudding. And then, guys, ganyan siya. And then you will put the caramel sauce on top. Kasi. And then, guys, ganyan siya, oh. So, we'll scoop it. Hokkaido milk, guys. Tapos meron pa tayong ganito. Ano? I'm Marilyn Monroe. Ito kasi, guys, so tingnan. Ay. Ito yung pudding niya.
The pudding of Lake Toya milk.
Ang sarap.
So what's the difference with the balloon one?
Hindi ko alam.
This one's more brown. Or yung ilaw?
The balloon, guys, is by Boca. Boca White Pudding. This is a different brand. Lake Toya kasi to.
Mas silky to.
Ano?
Mas malambot at...
Diba?
Ito parang mas buo. Diba?
Pero that's masarap. I mean,
like this one's like...
magsawa kayo sa pudding.
This one's smoother. Color-wise, makaiba.
Ito naman, different kind naman ulit. What are we going to do today? Magsawa sa pudding!
This one's just milk. This one's caramel.
That's why I bought two kasi sis, alam ko naman. You have to try everything. Para you guys know kung ano yung masarap. Ito yung pudding. Ito yung milk.
Oh, it's more brown. Ito mas masarap.
Kaparehas niya yung... Ito yung kaparehas niya yung nabibili sa mga 7-Eleven. And then we'll try the yogurt. Magtatae mo kami dito? I guess. So,
Tagal naman pala expiration.
girl, kahit na. Ayoko na iuwi.
I mean, kailangan naka-ref, hindi pwede.
Ang sarap!
Hindi pa pwede.
Ang sarap nitong yogurt drink.
So, check in. So sorry.
Maldita ko! Ciao.
There's one.
Arte kasi nilo, guys. Milk, pudding, meeting yogurt. Ang sarap nito.
Iba siya, no? Hindi siya kagaya ng Yakult na...
Girl, hindi siya Yakult kasi dapat. Mga ganito yung mga Chinese yogurt, ganito.
It's makapal.
I like it. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Okay, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo sa lahat ng binili natin?
Wait, I'll try this. Kasi...
Nagmumukha na po kaming pudding. So, tingnan mo. Yung tubig, kilong ko siya sa vending machine. Then may QR code sila dyan for you to get the water. Kung hindi ka nagpa-fully clean ng room. Kakatuwa. Tuwa ako dyan. Anyways, yun lang. Good morning, guys. It's a very rainy day here in Japan. Hi, guys. We're checking out. I'm gonna miss this hotel. So ganda. Guys, ayun yung hotel ko. Next. Tokyo Ray. From Stream, lumipat lang. Bakit ko to ginagawa sa live? Kasi mahilig ako mag-check kung anong magandang hotels. So I hope this hotel will not disappoint. From the looks of it, outside, it's okay. Ito yung Tokyo Ray, guys. You have a Lawson there. And not only that, the station is just there. So it's very, very near. Ilalak na natin siya. Open. So, open and open. So, pag ganito, ilalak mo lang yung gamit mo. Tapos, ilalak mo. Set ka muna ng gusto mong lock. So, guys, today is a city tour. And look at my hair. It's so ganda. Char. Kala mo naman. Naglagay lang ako ng wax. Pero I wanna eat like a 7-Eleven. Parang kailangan ko na ng 7-Eleven kasi parang ang lamig-lamig. But I'm like very comfy because I have everything I need. Ayan, may 7-Eleven dito. Wait lang. At saka guys, we're going to Odori. So lalakarin lang namin from Tsukikino, Kokunino, Susukino. Sometimes in life, guys, kung walang yung mayakap sa'yo, kape! Yun yung iyakap sa'yo. Boom! Gising ka with caffeine. Guys, so, a few blocks from the hotel, meron ng shopping district here, shopping line, and this is very near Odori. Sa Belize, by the way, meron dyan on. Siya lang may on dyan. Yun pupunta ako dati. Tumingin ako dati sa Fukuoka. Si Belize lang yung may on. Ay, may ano dito, may mga magagandang restaurant. Lion. Sikat na yan mga coffee. Kasi, wata tayo. Okay, wala akong food and drinks inside. Mag-ano muna ako. I'm gonna drink. Guys, ito na yung Odori Park. And ito na yung stage, ito na yung tower. Yung nakikita mo yung may oras. Ganda! Nag-mask na ako guys to avoid the windburn. So, bumili ako ng malaking mask. Ganda! Oh my God, you can even go up. Ang ganda!
Hey, kung maganda sa gabi.
Ganda! May Christmas tree pa! Guys, ito yung menu. Guys, so, Colombo. Alam niyo na yan. Pa-ice cream pa sila. It's my free ice cream yon. And then, yung lasa niya, very spicy, herby. Ganun yung parang curry niya. And then, you can get unlimited refill ng sauce. Actually, they don't call it sauce. They call it I'm thinking of the word. It's at the tip of my tongue. It's called shoot. Hindi siya broth kasi sabaw yung broth But it's very loose yung curry niya. Hindi siya parang yung malagkit. Pero masarap siya. Ayun na. Yun yung Otaru Pwede na tayo maglakad papuntang Otaru. Tapos guys, ito na yung Daimaru. Guys, this is Hotel Ray. Diba, ito yung room na nakuha natin. Sobrang mura nito. Mas mura pa to kaysa dun sa nakuha ko doon sa Stream Hotel. So, pagpasok mo on the right side, you have your cabinet, hangers, pants press mo, your shoes, mga air freshener, fabric softener, or freshener, nandyan din. And on the other side, you have your safety deposit, diba? Hangers and more pillows on top. And on your left side, diretso niyan, your bathroom. So, bathroom is small but quaint. You have your towels. Tapos, meron kang bidet, yes. Old school, pero not bad. Meron kang hair dryer, toothbrush, your soap, face and hand foam yan. Then you have your shampoo, conditioner, and bath soap. And of course, a bathtub here as well. Kasama naman siya. I got a twin or double sharing bed or two-person room. Kaya ang laki ng kama na to. And guys, meron ka ditong bathrobe. You have one lang na pillow. That's why buy extra doon if ever you need it. Switches is on the middle. So, parang pwede nyo i-close yan or turn on and off yung mga lights. And then, your side table is here with your plugs. O, diba? Tissue, nandiyan rin yan provided if ever you need. And then, here you have a workstation. So, talaga pang, all the basics are here. TV, pen and paper, water kettle, nandiyan din siya. And not only that, guys, meron ka dito yung mini fridge mo. And then, nandito rin lahat ng mga kailangan mo like teas, cups, mugs, and then your coffee is here. And then, guys, syempre, meron ka rin dito LAN cable if you need a mirror. And you also have all of your laundry bags if ever you need it. And not only that, you have a luggage rack with slippers sa baba. And a full-length mirror. So, this is Hotel Ray. Malapit pa rin siya sa Exit 4. Diba yung Stream Hotel ko, guys, magkatabi lang siya. So, isang tawid lang ng kalye na sobrang lapit lang. And then, malapit pa rin siya sa station if ever you need to. So, eto nakuha ko na 2,000 plus. Guys, ang mura talaga nito. So, if ever gusto mo talaga magtipid, this is not bad. As in, maganda pa rin location. But if you have more budget, dun ka dun sa Stream Hotel. Kasi, yun talaga maganda, laki rin. Tapos, sobrang bago. So, yun siya. Anyways, nakapag-check-in na ako. Yan talaga goal ko. Bakit gusto mag-check-in na maaga? Kasi gusto ko i-room tour to. So, we're ordering something. We're eating. Yung kanina mga bars, guys, sobrang ganda. Like, I think dapat mapuntahan nyo yun. Like, yung gold, that for me was the best. Good area that we have here. Guys, look. Ito siya. Si Rod kasi nagka-crave for, food. So, guys, ito, meron daw talaga yung kasama. Table charge niya, ganyan talaga. So, yan yung kasama. Hi, arigato. Ang linis kumain. I wanna try. We're up.
I wanted to be free of my student loan and credit card debt. I wanted to work on things I was passionate about. I wanted...
Hey guys, we're going to Sapporo Station to go to the airport. We're at Sapporo Station, so we're going to go to our train. Ay, yung JR. I believe it should be in the JR. Pero inintay ko si Rod. Kasi si Rod, ewan ko na saan na. Ewan ko na saan na itong si Rod. Kasi guys, yung ano si Rod, linink-link niya yung iCoca niya dun sa phone. Eh ngayon, hindi siya makapag-load kasi walang tap dito sa city. So, at least, if you have your iCoca card, just leave it as iCoca card. Kasi paminsan, walang phone tap na recharge sa other cities. And guys, ito na yung departure area mo. So, pwede ka bumili dito ng stuff. And doon yung mga ticketing items doon. So, yun yung mga things that you're going to do. Maraming shops din as well that you can shop in. So, yes, check-in muna tayo. Ayan siya, oh. ANA, AB, and then the other side, CDEF.
Inspiration of Japan. Waiting. In fairness, may option dito, guys.
Sa New Chitose Airport, walang laman dito sa loob. Kaya sa labas, bumili ka na lahat ng pagkain mo bago ka pumasok dito sa gate. Kasi pag nag-cross ng security, wala na. As in. So, buy your food. Kaya bumili na ako ng mga chicken. Yung sandwich ko, ganyan. Yung lounge nila dito, walang pagkain din. Hala, boarding na. Chitose. First time ko nag-land dito. Kasi ba usually, ang airport na nilaland ng mga tao will always be Haneda. Ay, arrivals na kaagad. Mag-CR muna ako. So, is always Narita, diba? Eh, ito ngayon, Haneda. Kaya parang kakaiba siya. Kaya, excited ako kasi syempre hindi ka man lagi nag-Haneda. So, okay. To be able to go to my hotel later, it is Keiko Airport Line. And then 40 minutes lang siya. And then 583. Ang lapit kasi ng Haneda. So, hintayin ko muna yung bag. And then, go na tayo sa labas so we can see this airport. O, diba? Ayun na guys. So, KQ line ako. So, I need to go down. Guys, ito yung laman dito, oh. So, you have shops, drugstores, may Yoshinoya. And then, ito na yung KQ is here. Kasi ito is Haneda Airport Terminal 2 Monorail. So, dahil mag-KQ ako, KQ lane, I need to go straight. Diba? And then right. Ganun siya. Ayun na siya, guys. KQ line. So, I'm pretty sure pwede naman yung mga cards ko dyan. And, follow the escalator. May elevator pero hindi ko na kailangan yan. Ayan, KQ. 583 lang, oh. Guys, so this is subway. Ang taas ng A3 na exit. Sabi ko, wala pang elevator. Escalator man lang. Wala eh. That's life. Ang quiet nitong place. Alam mo, that's why I love Ginza, guys. Ito talaga yung reason why I always stay here. Kasi tahimik. Pwede ka maglakad-lakad. Magmuni-muni. Ganun!